Halloween is a great time of the year to get creative and have some fun in the kitchen.
To celebrate this year's Halloween, I'm going to show you 4 super tasty recipe ideas that you can easily make at home.
Nothing screams Halloween more than pumpkins, when my favourite ways to cook it is to put it in a tasty fried rice.
My oyster sauce, red pepper, chili and pumpkin fried rice is ghoulishly good. Add some diced pumpkin to a hot wok and soften down with a little water. For a rich savoury umami note, add Lee Kum Kee's Premium Oyster Sauce. Stir fry until tender and set aside. In a clean wok, add some ginger, chilli, red onion, red pepper and Shaoxing rice wine. Then add cooked black wild rice and the pumpkin. Season with Lee Kum Kee's premium light soy sauce for a savoury pop and pure sesame oil for a nutty finish. Lastly, a few pinches of ground white pepper and fresh chives. Umami fried rice with a dark side.
Next up is my sweet soy pumpkin pie. Sweet, warming and comforting on a ghoulish night.
Place some short crust pastry into a pie dish, trim off the excess and crimp the edges. After chilling for 30 minutes, fill with baking beans and place into a preheated oven. Then mix some cooked mashed pumpkin with caster sugar, sea salt, eggs and almond milk. Mix well before pouring in Lee Kum Kee's sweet soy sauce to give a savoury sweet pop of flavour. Lastly, add some cinnamon and vanilla extract and mix well. Pour into the cooled pie crust and bake. Once done, dust with cinnamon and drizzle melted chocolate in a spiderweb pattern. So comforting and tasty.
Next, a perfect winter warmer for these terrifying cold nights, my Sichuan beef and beetroot dumplings.
Dust some beef chunks in ground white pepper and potato flour and throw in a hot pan. Once it begins to caramelize, add in garlic, ginger, chilies, shallots, onions, Chinese pipe spice, carrots and tomatoes. Pour over some vegetable stock and add Lee Kum Kee's premium dark soy sauce for colour and richness, sweet soy sauce for an umami sweetness, and chili bean sauce for a spicy kick. Add some sugar and cover, simmering on medium heat. To make the dumplings, add some red onion, beetroot, eggs, bread, flour, sea salt and oil into a food processor. Blitz until well combined, then spoon directly into the stew and cook through. Finish with a garnish of spring onion and coriander for a fresh bite. A moorish and satisfying stew to keep you warm on a cold night.
Last up, my vampire killer prawns. Spicy, garlicky and delicious.
Dip whole tiger prawns into flour, beaten egg and panko breadcrumbs. Lay on a tray, spray with oil and bake. Add ginger, chilies and onion into a hot wok and stir fry to release their aroma. Then add the prawns and Lee Kum Kee's chili garlic sauce for a garlicky and spicy flavour. Coat well before finishing with some dry chili and fresh spring onion. Transfer to a serving basket and enjoy. Mouth-tinglingly delicious.
So there it is, dishes for a happy Halloween. Let me know in the comments below your favourite Halloween dishes and don't forget to subscribe for some more recipe ideas.